Hi Squids, this is Squiva. I'm going to be doing a tutorial for people who are just now getting started off with Java, like as in you got the IDE today and you're looking how to use it. So it's a fairly simple IDE, you have all the basic, window things. You have file, I'll go through all this, edit, all the edit stuff. All this is a bit more complex. Not really that complex, just a ton of stuff. And there's no point in explaining, because if you ever need it, they'll be mentioned. They'll be easy to get to. Okay, but new creates a new, all of this. You can open a file, refreshes anything down here. So if you drag an image into a Java library, refresh will refresh it so you can see the image. I don't know what that does. Switch workspace. Oh yeah, that just switches the workspace between different. So for modding, restart, import, export. Export, exports.jars, imports files. So, let's... Yeah. New, all the save buttons, debug, run last tool, and tons of stuff. Or some graphic designer things. Just tons and tons of stuff. So we're going to start off by creating a new project. We're going to make it a Java project. This is... Yeah. Yeah, so hello world tutorial. I don't know. Sure, why not? So you just click finish. And that's really simple. Now you realize you get something like this, or at least I do. And that little toolbar disappeared. To get it back, you just go up here and click on the Java EE. Right there. Anyway, so open up Hello World. Just by clicking the little arrows. And then right click on the source file and click New Class. Call this AA. No, Hello World. Okay, so, hold up. Okay, oh my god, that word is hurting my eyes. Anyways, so what a class is just like, I don't know. I look at it as like a briefcase or a folder. Something to keep stuff in. Something that you code in. I'll give a full definition later. But yes, that is how you get it started. That's everything that you need to know about the IDE before you begin. You don't really need to know much else. So, I'll quickly go through everything again. To create a project, you go to File, New, Project, and you go to GPA Project, type in the name, and you click Finish. I'm not going to do that. And then to create a class, you right-click, New, Class, and you put in the name, and you click Finish, but I'm not going to do that, so cancel. So once you've done all that, you're ready to go. Start off by creating the main class. The main class is where all the action happens, so public static void main, and then string args. I'm not going to explain what this means, just know what this means. Public static void main. Yep, there we go. So once you've created the main class, you can go ahead and get started. Hello World is really basic in Java, just as is basic in Python. But only you don't do print. It's not... Use SYS out, right? Then hit Control, space. There you go. And... Hello World. So, that's how you do Hello World. There are a lot more other complex things in Java. I mean, that's not the only thing to it, but that's how the ball should start rolling. But now I'm going to explain it. So, I've explained what the class does. This is the class. This is everything. This is where the action happens. And you see, if we cut this, we paste it outside the class, it's going to give us an error. It's going to give us an error because, well, it doesn't know what to do with it. I mean, it's an action. Like, outside the class is where variables are declared, you know, int a equals 99. You know? Okay, so I have about 5 minutes left until this video gets too long. In that 5 minutes, I'm going to explain like the different integers and stuff. So, an integer is pretty easy. It's just a number, so we can do int a equals, 99. A string is like a word. So, a string a equals hello worlds. Wait. Oh. And I'm using these two twice. That's not good. So instead of putting always make things public. What public means is everything can see it. If you make it private, then that means nothing can see it. And in order to get it seen, you have to type in a whole bunch of other stuff. So, make things public unless told to, in my opinion. But you can just put in B. Well, generally you can just put in B. But, you get it. I thought there was something wrong with everything. So, that is pretty much the most detailed explanation I can give. I love how I didn't even think about any of that. Anyways, yeah, that, oh, I mean, there are other stuffs, like, if you have already coded before, then you should know what this means. You should know what that means if you've already coded. If you've never coded before, actually, if you've never coded before, why are you watching this? Why are you starting with Java if you've never coded before? There are some languages that are just, I would recommend starting with. But anyways, if you've never coded before, Boolean is, I mean, assuming you know Boolean algebra, a Boolean is a true or false, so if you don't know Boolean algebra, I recommend learning Boolean algebra. Yeah. Boolean algebra or Boolean logic, one of the two. I think it's Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra and logics. Yeah, there's the two of them. Learn the two of them. But more importantly, logic. So yeah. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm going to, like, subscribe, leave comments, rate. Yeah, oh, yeah, if you have any questions, say so in the comments. If there's anything you'd like changed about this video, also say that in the comments, and I will change it. Yeah, I'll put a little thing right here, around here, in this area, that says that lets you subscribe. Anyway, yeah, like, subscribe, rate, comment. I've stressed that enough. And check out the channels of the other squids. Bye!